Hey guys, real quick video on how to get a jump start on mid to late tomato plants. If you live in an area where you have the time, then this is going to work fine. So people call them suckers. I'm going to be honest, I'm not completely sure why. I think it's because they suck the life out of the tomato plant. But I've done this in the past. It actually works really well. So the suckers, this is the main stalk here of the tomato. You can see this branch going out here. Now the sucker grows in between the main stalk and a branch. This is what they call a sucker. Try and make sure you can see this little one right here. If you pinch this off, you can cut it, twist it, remove it gingerly without harming the plant. Put this in water. It will take a very short period of time, and it's going to start growing roots. And you'll have a duplicate of the tomato plant that you've taken the sucker from. And that's all you have to do. So now we have the sucker picked off. You're going to put it in water about halfway up to the leaves. So you want to put it into the water about this far and maintain that water level until you see roots growing. Then you can plant it wherever you'd like, and it's going to replicate the plant that you took it from. Let me show you what it looks like. I believe this has been 10 days in just plain water. So hold on a sec, we'll be right back. So I don't have a lot of little tiny containers to put these suckers in. So I had to use my wife's creamer. She doesn't know, so hopefully she doesn't see this video. But anyway, this sucker, again as they call it, has been in here about 10 days. Made sure the water level remained consistent. And here's the magic. This is ready to plant. It's a way to keep, if something happens to your plants, you know, maybe you have enough time to try this method and you don't have to start from seed, or you don't have to go to the store and buy potted stuff. You can, you know, grab a sucker and start making your own. And again, it doesn't take long. I mean, you could do this with like as many suckers as you want and have a completely new harvestable plant that's a duplicate of the original. So I don't know why I didn't do this before. Like I said, I've been doing this for a long time. And the one year the deer decimated our tomatoes, just as they were starting to grow, they were still green. And they actually ate the tomatoes, the plants, everything. But I was able to scavenge a few suckers, and I regrew them in pots, put them on the deck, and we were able to enjoy tomatoes really late in the season, but it worked out. So hopefully this is interesting and helpful to somebody. Today's June 28th, 2022, and you guys have a great night. We'll talk soon.